Kakaiba, pag-ibig nating dalawa, di maikukumpara. Pagmamahalang tapat at totoo.
Our friends Dominic and Charmaine have now decided to tie the knot and enter a new chapter of their life as husband and wife. With that said, we ask that each and everyone join them as we celebrate this celebration of love. Before we begin, Dominic, Charmaine, are you gathered here today out of your own free will in your desire to become man and wife under the laws of the Republic of the Philippines? Were you coerced, forced, bribed, taken against your own free will, taken a magic potion of sorts? Parang gayon. With that being said, I encourage you to visit. I would like to start this message by checking the marriage certificate of our couple. It says here that the groom is from Manila. Who among you here are actually from the groom side? Raise your hand. So you're from the groom side of the family. Who among here are from the bride side of the family? So you're all from Cebu. And I have a very serious question to ask. Naunsa man ba ang tao mo dito sa Manila? Sa
Ito lang pangutan ng asa ang litson.
mas nindot man ang litson dito sa Cebu. Naaman sa Laloma pero mas dami sa Cebu.
Lagi
What we were for those who did not understand what we were trying to say is that Manila is a very great place.
Yeah.
That was what we were talking about.
It's not about lechon.
It wasn't about lecture anyways. It's just a place.
Yeah.
No, dear friends, the beauty of what's happening here is this. The people of Manila and the surrounding areas, the Tagalogs, and the people of Cebu, the Visayas, they are different people. And sometimes we cannot understand each other based on the context of what we want to talk about. See, for example, if you talk about langgam, here in Manila, you're referring to an ant. When you get to Cebu or in any part of Visayas, Mindanao, it's way bigger than an ant. It's a bird. Right? When we're talking about languages, sometimes we misunderstand or misinterpret things. But there is one language that I know everybody can understand even without saying it. And that is the language of love. That's the reason why you're all gathered here today. You may come from different parts of the planet. You may come from different cultures, different backgrounds, but one thing is clear. Love is the reason why we're gathered here today. Dear friends, there are three ways the Apostle Paul has mentioned. There are three more powerful entities here in the world. Faith, hope, and love. He said the greatest of all these is love. So we start with faith. In other words, you need to trust in each other. You have to believe in each other's capabilities. If Dominic one day wants to run for governor in his area, it is the duty of his wife to support him. Is that correct?
Yes.
Don't run for governor. Don't. Have mercy on yourself. Go into business instead, you'll get rich. Governor is sa ulo. Panamigin na natin yung issue ng politics. But then say for example, if our bride, anong araw ngayon? O something it's March 12. 3 days to go, dear friends. And it's sweldo sale in Shopee and Lazada. If our bride decides to add to cart everything that she can find in Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, Temu, Shein, it is the duty of her husband to
Faith.
Ayun nagsabi niya. Tapos na ako dyan. But that's the beauty of having faith. Because when you have faith, you support each other. You help each other through the ups and downs. Now you might start to wonder by now, Pastor, why are you speaking in English? It is the couple's request. Fortunately, I registered under English 599 yesterday. That's why my nose is not bleeding that much. But when there's faith, dear friends, there also should have hope. There has to be hope. When you both met each other, I believe there was hope. Where did you meet each other, by the way? You met each other at work. Primarily, your hope that time was just to clock in, do your job, clock out, done. But when you met each other, that hope somehow adjusted a little bit. Clock in, see each other, then do your work, clock out, then done. And then the hope escalates into a desire to share a lifetime with the other person. And that's the reason why we're gathered here today, because of that. Of course, when there's faith, and when there's hope, there's also love. Who among you here are in love? Raise your hand. Those who are in love, please raise your hand. There you go.
In love with myself. I love
You're not in
myself.
love? I'm going home.
Sabi ko,
Okay. Who among you here are single? Raise your hands for those who are single.
single and
Proud the
happy.
proud.
Nahiya naman ako.
Ay, maraming single pa na rin eh. Ah.
Lagi. Naghan
Who among you here are taken?
Mother, itaas mo kamay mo, mother.
Be proud of your partners. Taken for granted. Wala? Mabuti naman. Whatever your relationship status may be, love will always be there. When you're single, you love yourself.
Exactly.
When you're taken, you love someone who loves you back. When you're taken for granted, you love someone who never even loved you in the first place. But as for the two of you, you're no longer single. In a few minutes, you'll no longer be taken as well. And fortunately, you were never taken for granted. You will be married. That's why my only wish is for you to love each other even when loving is no longer an option. To choose each other even when choosing is no longer right. But I will not allow this wedding to pass without all of you making a promise to our couple. So can all of you promise to be there for Dominic and Charmaine when they need spiritual support in the form of your prayers? Yes or no?
Yes.
Will you be there for them if they need emotional support in the form of advice?
Yes.
Will you be there for them physically in the form of your presence?
Yes.
Let me repeat. Spiritual?
Yes.
They can't hear you. Spiritual?
Yes.
Physical?
Yes.
Mental?
Yes.
Emotional?
Yes.
Psychological?
Yes.
There. Financial? Oh, someone said yes. I can hear some people said yes here. That's very nice of you. There's no CCTV here. Oh, but fortunately, it is recorded.
Recorded.
There are so many witnesses here.
Yeah.
Those who said yes, please prepare your envelopes later. There is no other exit from this buffet place apart from the stairs over there. So please prepare your envelope. Yes, GCash is also possible. The louder your yes was, the thicker the envelope should be. It should contain all your yeses inside. For those of you who actually said yes, you will be the first to eat later. For those who said no because you are courageous enough, you will be given another serving of your food later in addition to the one you'll be collecting. For those who did not answer yes or no, may parisan doon sa labas. There's a pare shop over there that sells 50 pesos a bowl. We'll eat there later after the ceremony is done. But apart from all of that, I hope that all of you, and I'm sincerely hoping that all of you who are gathered here today would feel the love of our couple. And I hope that you will support them because it takes a village to raise a successful marriage. All of you contribute to the success of the love story of Dominic and Charmaine. So I hope that all of you will be blessed. And as for the two of you, I wish that you have a happy, prosperous, and successful life as man and wife. I ask you now to stand up and hold each other's hands. Dominic, do you promise before all of us gathered here today that you will love, honor, cherish, and Charmaine all the days of your life? Do you take her to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, with tender love and devotion till death do you part? Charmaine, do you promise before all of us gathered here today that you will love, honor, cherish, and protect Dominic all the days of your life? Do you take him to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, and do you promise to love him and cherish him as long as you both shall live?
Yes! Walang sa boses niya.
Now, normally, I would advise the couple to proceed with the vows. But earlier this morning, the couple approached me here. They told me, there's a vow and there's a vow notebook over there. Now, I'll give you an option. You will let us read our vows, but you will no longer have a home. So, ayoko umuwi sa bahay ko na wala na akong bahay. Pinagbantaan po ako ng couple natin. No, but kidding aside, our couple has decided that their vows will be spoken by their hands, which is something more powerful than a spoken. I hope that both of you will live up to the vows that you're about to make to each other, and I hope that you will live through every single one. Dominic, I encourage you to put the ring for your wife. Place it on her left hand finger and call her name. Take this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion to you all the days of my life. Your turn. Take the ring for your husband. Place it on his left hand finger and call his name. Take this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion to you all the days of my life. It is now time to sign the marriage. Encourage you both to be seated. Beside this marriage.
May contract sign si Star Magic. Isa nilang ano.
We would like to ask, who among you here are the Ninongs and the Ninangs, the principal sponsors? Please raise your hand. We will be encouraging the Ninongs and the Ninangs to sign a certificate later at this table after the ceremony.
Tatayo din sa
Bagong palabas namin.
Eh, ganun talaga. Professional.
Pamigyan Alam mo ba, hindi na nabasa ito.
Lola ganda.
Wala pa. Excited kayo shadow. Mr. Rivera, I now command you to perform your very first duty to your wife. You may now please.
Kakaiba, ibig nating dalawa, di maikukumpara. Pagmamahal ng tapat at totoo, pag-ibig ng ikaw at ako.
Parent, business parent.
So una pa lang, ramdam ko na ligtas at masaya ang puso pag nariyan ka. Pag di ka kasama, di mangangamba, kasi alam kong sa akin ka. Balewala ang sasabihin ng iba, at kahit na hindi nila maiintindihan, kakaiba, kakaiba, kakaiba. Pag-ibig nating dalawa, di maikukumpara. Pagmamahal ng tapat at totoo, pag-ibig ng ikaw at ako. Tiwala sa iyo'y buong buo, panatag na ako sa pagmamahal